Hello, everyone. This is attorney Connie Kaplan. I am an immigration attorney here in Fort Lauderdale. We help people make the United States their permanent home. Unemployment, it depends on funding and your status. In certain states, it's funded by the state. In some places, it's funded by a combination of state and federal funds, tribal funds, and so on. Generally speaking, you have to be ready, willing, and able to work, meaning you have to have a work permit and social security number. This is very important. DACA individuals, for example, people who are here on DACA, people who are here on TPS, if your status doesn't expire based on your work permit that you have, and you do have a social security number, you can apply for unemployment with no problem because you are ready, willing, and you are able to work. You are also able to work for any employer. This becomes an issue in certain other cases. For example, people on H-1B, they are ready, they are willing, but they are unable to work for any employer where the Department of Labor might be able to send you. So, because you're limited to your current employer, and you cannot apply for a new H-1B because the cap, unless you are not subject to the cap. But if you're subject to the cap, then you cannot apply anymore this year. You have to wait until next year. We're talking next October. So it really depends. If you're here on, what are the steps? Investors. The investor is only able to work in the business, in his own business. The investor generally cannot obtain a job elsewhere. So because you may be ready and willing, but you're not able to work elsewhere, you might not be able to get unemployment. Your spouse, however, because he or she has a work permit, and that work permit allows them to work for any employer, they might be able to work, they might be able to get unemployment. Hopefully they were on payroll.